Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring one of Meta's most ambitious projects yet. A brand new AI tool called Movie Gen, which promises to transform the way we create and share videos on Instagram starting in 2025. This isn't just another editing app. It's a groundbreaking AI system that can generate video and audio from nothing more than text prompts. And it could completely change social media, filmmaking, and digital creativity as we know it. So let's break down how Movie Gen works, its features, the controversies around it, and what it could mean for creators like you. What is Movie Gen? The announcement came straight from Mark Zuckerberg himself. He posted what looked like a simple workout video on Instagram. But then the video took a twist. The gym equipment he was using suddenly transformed into different styles. A neon cyberpunk version, an ancient Roman version, even a gold flaming version. What seemed like a regular workout clip was actually a demonstration of Meta's newest AI creation. That was the official reveal of Movie General. So, what exactly is it? Movie Gen is a powerful family of generative multimodal AI models. In simple terms, you type a description, and the AI will generate video and audio that match what you wrote. But it doesn't stop there. You can also take your own video and completely customize it. Want to change the background? Add new props? Switch costumes? All you do is type a command, and Movie Gen transforms your video instantly. This makes it possible for anyone to create personalized, high-quality videos without needing complicated editing software or years of training. Features of Movie Gen. Known of the standout features is precision editing. Instead of regenerating an entire video, Movie Gen allows you to change just one specific part. For example, if you want to adjust the background in a single scene, you can. If you want to add a sound effect or change the style of one object, you can. No need to redo the whole clip. And here's where it gets even better. Movie Gen doesn't just generate video. It creates matching audio at the same time. That means sound effects, background noise, or even music can be automatically added to fit your video. The result is smoother, more realistic, and far more engaging content. When Meta compared Movie Gen to competitors like Runway Gen 3, Luma Dream Machine, OpenAI's Sora, and Kling 1.5, Movie Gen came out ahead in key areas. Its motion looks smoother, more natural, and more lifelike than other models. Characters and objects don't just move. They move believably. This is what makes the results feel professional, whether you're creating a casual Instagram clip or a polished short film. Who is Movie Gen for? Meta has positioned Movie Gen as a tool for everyone. On one hand, it's designed for everyday users who just want to create fun, creative videos for social media. With simple text prompts, they can add special effects, change costumes, or build entirely new scenes, no editing skills required. On the other hand, Movie Gen is also meant for professionals, from content creators and advertisers to Hollywood filmmakers. Its ability to generate consistent, natural-looking video motion could make it a valuable tool in larger-scale productions. Imagine speeding up parts of the filmmaking process or experimenting with effects that would normally take days to create. Movie Gen brings that kind of power to your fingertips. The models behind Movie Gen. Meta has actually developed 4 different models inside Movie Gen. Movie Gen Video with 30 billion parameters. It generates video from simple text descriptions. Movie Gen Audio with 13 billion parameters. It creates realistic sound effects and background audio to match your video. Personalized Movie Gen Video lets you insert your own face into videos, adding a personal touch. Movie Gen Edit allows precise edits, so you can change specific parts of a video without redoing the whole thing. Together, these models make Movie Gen versatile and powerful, producing high-quality videos up to 16 seconds long with professional-grade audio. How was it trained? Like many AI models, Movie Gen was trained on a massive dataset. Meta used millions of videos and over 1 billion images from across the internet. This helped the AI learn how the real world looks, moves, and sounds. But here's the controversy. Meta hasn't clearly said whether all of this training data was licensed in the public domain or scraped without permission, and that raises serious ethical and legal concerns. Many artists and creators worry that their work was used without their consent. This is the same issue other companies, like Runway, are facing in lawsuits from creators who claim their content was exploited. Even big names in the creative community, like YouTuber Marks Brownlee, have spoken out about the risks of AI models being trained on unlicensed content. It's a growing debate and Movie Gen is right in the middle of it. The future of Movie Gen. Despite the controversy, Meta is pushing ahead. Movie Gen is expected to launch on Instagram in 2025. That means millions of users from casual creators to influencers and marketers will have access to powerful video generation tools right inside the app. It could make content creation easier, more fun, and more professional for everyone. Imagine creating viral, eye-catching Instagram reels just by typing a description, or editing your clips with Hollywood-style effects in seconds. Meta also says they want to work with creators and filmmakers to fine-tune the tool. So as Movie Gen develops, it could become even more useful for professionals and hobbyists alike. Movie Gen represents a huge step forward in AI creativity. From fun Instagram clips to professional video projects, it has the potential to change the way we make content forever. But while the technology is exciting, questions about data, ethics, and copyright remain. Will Movie Gen empower creators or will it spark more controversy? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the latest in AI and technology. And tell us in the comments, do you think Movie Gen will revolutionize Instagram, or is it just another flashy tool?